E-scooter type shit. Beautiful atmosphere type shit. This is really fucking good, bro. I'm fucking starving, bro. Like, I really need some food right now. They've got a Pret here, like a Pret manger. Honestly, you see those in the UK. They spawn in like every 5 meters. Here's the Pret. I might just drop in and buy something here because there's no queue. We'll see. All right, broskies. So a quick update over here. We managed to get this one heated. Hopefully that's gonna like last the entire flight, and then like I can crash out or nap. Probably not though after this coffee though, let's be real. What the heck, bro? They literally like pressed this like flatbread, bro. This used to be a croissant, by the way. It's actually crazy. It's actually not that bad. My original goal of sleeping on the plane has probably been cancelled. But yeah, we're going straight in on this, man. We're going from number 9. We'll see what number 9 has to say. I've never flown from number 9. But they got like lounges and shit here. The Qantas lounge. That's crazy, bro.
Bitch, I'm a P. Bitch, I'm a G. Took that little bitch, now that bitch off the league. Ay, lay leaving on that fucking nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch and then I pass her to the click. I say, see me, I don't got no time for no bitch. I just get in front of bros, I'm just worried about them chips. I'm a shot call, little nigga, I'ma stay wild. Hot nigga, I belong in a dog pound. Shot call, little nigga, I'ma stay wild. Hot nigga, I belong in a dog pound. Fuck a bitch and then I put it in a bitch, bro. Never give a bitch your phone, that's a no-no.
Ja pierdolę, jakie bydle!
Actually boiling so hard right now, bro. Look, there's a żabka up there, bro. That's literally the first one I've seen in a while. Actually, no, it's the second one. On the way here, I actually saw one. These are literally fucking everywhere. But yeah, I definitely got to land myself one of those bagels that go for like 60p. 50p, 60p bagels. That's how it should be, bro. That's how it should be. But in my country, that shit would be like what? Almost a pound, like a pound and a bit. Lucky one of the best reasons like to live here is because you've got this massive church right here. And Polish churches, bro, don't even get me started. I've been in this house, or I've actually like just like fucking crashed out here for like 2 hours now. I'm mega fucking tired right now, and honestly I've literally just been working for the last 2 hours. I've just been unpacking some shit. Yeah, I had that shower, I ate some shit, whipped out the fucking MacBook here and just started working, you know. Got the fucking trade recap over here, I'm editing it. Yeah, I'm not trying to go too crazy with the filming though today. Like I'll do that tomorrow and the day after. Like I've still got like another 3 to 4 days here before I hit Warsaw. Gotta go down to like the park, gotta go for a walk. I actually breathe the air. Yeah, until then I think we're really just gonna relax for the rest of the day. We'll see what happens. Peak 18-year-old experience right here. On my own, on the top of some crazy mound, and whoa, I just became like really white. Whoa, don't know why I became so white there, but this is fucking crazy. This is the life, bro. It's actually so relaxing up here, bro. Like, I kid you not, this compared to the last 8 months of what I've been doing, I'm breathing in like real oxygen right now compared to the fucking fumes and all this shit. But yeah, dude, I'm probably gonna sit here until like the lights turn on and shit. We get the whole like dark sky and everything, like lights all over the city, bro. That shit's gonna be fire, bro. Like, I'm waiting for the clip farming. The clip farming on this is crazy work. Yo, I'm literally rolling here, bro. I spent like the last hour and a half just sitting on this hill.
I like it, Kaji.
I went so overboard with the pictures today. I can't lie, I got so carried away. I was up there for like a lot longer than I anticipated. And in turn, I got loads of photos to the upside. But, you know, now I'm having to like unpack everything now when it's like 10 o'clock, like 10 at night. I still haven't made myself food. I need to make myself some burgers. I gotta unpack everything and make food now. And then, you know, we'll fucking continue on from there on tomorrow when everything is a lot better, a lot more organized, and when we actually have a functional plan. Fucking hell, bro. Look how well I cooked these. They look actually... These actually look fire, bro. Like, I genuinely just need to, like, shove this shit on top. Probably put some fucking pickles on this, and then it will be fine. And then we're probably gonna go out. Yo, look at these birds, bro. I wish I was a bird. I don't know why everything is, like, torn apart right now. Like, a massive chunk of this place has just been, like, cut in half. Oh yeah, here we go. Now we're entering the real bitch. Hey yo, is that a Bitcoin ATM? It's a Bitcoin ATM, bro. Buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin. Bro, this is crazy. They got Rolexes here and everything, bro. Look at that. This one here is 100k. You know, all of these are like a similar price. You'd find them in the United Kingdom, but definitely gonna have one of these in the future. Bro, this, there's a place called Sphinx. Why would you call the place Sphinx, bro? What are you selling at Sphinx? What job do you have? Oh yeah, bro, I work at the Sphinx. The Sphinx. Bro, no way. They got the Croccolini Cocosini. They got brain rot in here, bro. Bro, I just polished my shoes so hard that it gave me new Yeezys, bro. This is how you determine the cleanliness of Poland. I literally got new shoes from a shoe polisher, bro. So the plan is, I'm going to the train station right now to get tickets to Warsaw. Not for today, but for Sunday, which is in like, I don't know, 4 days. I can't count. And then after we got them tickets, we're probably gonna go to the old town in this area, which is like pretty prehistoric. Honestly, it's like a really nice little like zone. It's got its own architecture. It's a lot older than the streets I'm walking right now. We'll see what that place has to say. It's been a while since I've been there as well, but yeah, I cannot get over this skyline, bro. That's the train that I'm going to be taking on the 10th of August. Hey yo, Victoria's Secret. Hey, I don't want to know Victoria's Secret, I can't lie. I don't know who Victoria is and why she made herself known, but I definitely don't want to know her fucking secret. Beautiful work right here. Beautiful buildings, beautiful settings. One of the best reasons why you should come to Poland. But yeah, it's lucky getting late now. I think it's like 8:20 or something like that. We're not gonna make Old Town today. Let's be real. Like, I followed the signs and shit. It's one of those mountains that you just have to fall down and not fully climb, you know? Leave it till the next day and start over. Oh wow, these lights are coming on and everything. They're warming up and stuff. In a minute, this place is about to look beautiful. Crazy thumbnail right here, bro. Hold on a second. I really need to just like go ahead and like take multiple flicks here. I just got like spam Instagram and shit. All right, bro, we're literally home now. I just realized that there's literally a gym right there, or I think it's a gym, but they do boxing in there. That's what I saw. So hopefully we can check that out, because I genuinely want to hit a gym. I've not worked out in like 2 or 3 days. But yeah, one thing that I absolutely fuck with is the fact that like literally everywhere you've got sodium lamps everywhere, right? You don't get these in the UK. You literally just get white LEDs like everywhere in the UK. But here you actually get low pressure sodium lamps, and those are good for your eyes and they're good for your health, and they make like a relaxing environment. Anyways, I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna hit the sack, probably do some more crazy shit tomorrow, but we'll see how crazy it gets. Good fucking morning, ladies and bitches. What the fuck is this critter doing here, bro? Oh yeah, you pissed on my bed. This motherfucker pissed on my bed in the middle of the fucking night. I had to change all my sheets and everything. And the funniest bit is, I didn't even fucking notice. I didn't even know. Okay, wow, this shit is a mess. I gotta clean all this up before I go. You'll want any fucking details here. I was up at like 12 a.m. literally like ripping guts in the toilet and shit. Yeah, we'll see how the day goes with fucking 4 hours of sleep. We're probably gonna make our way out, and yeah, I've got a side quest to do actually. I gotta buy some pillows. The pillows I've got are dusty as hell, and they make me wheeze like crazy. Oh wow, I really need to take a shit now. Alright gentlemen, Loki just finished taking a shit. Shit rating, probably like a 2.5 out of 10. Honestly, not too much came out today. Anyways, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm probably going to grab some fucking food, because if I go on an empty stomach, I'm gonna have to fucking buy some processed ultra food slop, like sloppity slop. Yo, what is this little funny thing over here, bro? It's got like a camera and everything. Goofy little guy, bro. Take a look at this thing right here. Beautiful fucking park, bro. Everything about this place is beautiful. Like, there's nothing here that's ugly, bro. Honestly, might need another coffee, broskies. I'm genuinely starting to get tired again. It's probably the 4 hours of sleep, but let's be real here, right? Coffee always fixes every fucking problem in the world. Alright gentlemen, so quick update over here. Sat down in a cafe, big latte, BLT like sandwich over here, and this like a fruit eclair thing. So quite a lot of stuff over here. Got the setup. Man, I love eating shitty foods and then working on the MacBook as well. POV, you're an entrepreneur. POV, you're a day trader. POV, you're in a different country because you like traveling with MacBook. Hey yo. This is fire, bro. Alright, what are we looking at in here? We're on the Nasdaq right now. Wait a second. Why's my micro got a short open? Oh my days, bro. Why did I have a short open on ES? No, bro. We actually cooked this account so hard. Alright, bros. We got the pillows. Side quest complete. Just left the mall and now we're gonna drop these pillows off at home. I will say though, I literally felt like I had a stroke or a heart attack. Like I just had to sit down at the Starbucks for like 5 seconds. I just stood there. My chest started hurting. And then, you know, from there I just started feeling tired. I was like, yo, what the hell? And then I got really scared. I fell into a panic attack. But I was fine. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna drop these pillows off. I really don't want to carry these around with me the whole way or the whole day, you know? That's why I'm dropping them off. Shit, we're in the market square right now. I bought myself like a tiny little figurette of a dragon. Honestly, the market square is busy, bro. Like, hold on, I'm gonna quickly loop around and show you just how busy it is in a second. But yo, they be riding horses and shit here. All sorts of activities going on in town center. This is like the main bit of the square. It's this massive building behind me. Bro, look how busy it is in here, bro. Genuine activity in here, mate. It's actually crazy. Crazy dragon thing over here. I'm literally just gonna hang this up on the shelf while I'm trading the Nasdaq back in England. Unrealized P&L in motion, and you just got this like heritage sitting next to you, bro. I should give this goober a name, bro. Like, look how goofy he looks up close, bro. But yeah, I'm not gonna fuck around too much. I'm gonna put this one back in the bag. Bro, I swear, everywhere I go, you know, there's always a view. There's some sort of like scenic atmosphere. Like, honestly, I feel like I'm in some film, bro. Like, someone playing the violin in the back, bro. Nah, I think I've just entered fast food district, bro. I already got the Burger King over there as well. Honestly, I don't feel like eating at BK. I'm gonna be real with you. Okay, it's getting way too dark. Maybe bring out the tripod again. But yeah, I didn't get anything to eat because I realized how long it would take, and I need to get home tonight to actually sleep because I gotta do something in the morning. As soon as I wake up, I literally gotta leave the house and get some like ID work done or something like that. But yeah, we're back in the market. I'm probably gonna get my family something, maybe like a little ring or something like that. All right, bro. Look at this little goober packaged up and shit. Yes, I got myself a bigger version of one of those like little dragon statues. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give the smaller one I bought earlier to my father probably, and then I'm gonna buy my mother something now as well. And then from there, we're probably just gonna have to cut home because, again, like I said, gotta get home early, gotta get shit done. Always have some shit to do, you know? Alright, broskis. I got my mother some, like, the things you put around your, earrings. I got my mother some amber earrings. They costed me, like, what? 78 in the local currency, which to me is like what, 12 to 15 pounds. Man, I love playing with math. Hire me as a quant trader, bro. I'm good with fucking maths. Bro, what the hell? I just found this little piece of plastic floating on my phone. I'm gonna hold that little bit of plastic on me, bro, until the end of time. Can't litter that, mate. £100 fine right there. Beautiful settings again, like in the middle of the city center, old city type shit. There's so many people here right now, bro. It's actually crazy. Like, you will not see this shit in London. We got the Gallopers right behind us, bro. Horse movement type shit. Look at that. Got some fucking horses in here as well, bro. Crazy shit, man. Activity all around over here, bro. E-scooter type shit. Beautiful atmosphere type shit. What is up, bros? I fucking lied. I'm not going anywhere, bro. Honestly, I was so ready to just go home, but the activity here is crazy. Like, you got kids shooting up weird blue things in the air, fucking lighting everywhere. Like, honestly, like, anywhere in this place, you will not find like a pitch black dark spot, bro. That's how well lit this place is. Bro, let me show you what these blue things are, bro. Like, honestly, they're everywhere in the air. Like, they get shot up into the sky. I have no idea what these blue things are. Honestly, bro, get me one of these blue things. I really want to shoot one up into the air. Bro, look how warm and sunny it is now compared to when I flew over here. Yeah, so I just hit a gym day at the gym in this place. I didn't even know I had a place. It's like this little retail park over here. I went ahead and bought like a one-time ticket. They made me sign papers and shit like I was signing my life away or something like that. I've got to fucking trade as well in like less than an hour. I've got a little call and shit to log on to, so we'll see how we can get to that park over there, that retail park, and then gonna get some more fucking productive work done. Hopefully make use of the Wi-Fi there as well, because again, Wi-Fi at home ain't so fucking good. Well, looks like we're empty-handed. Didn't find anything of use, didn't find a coffee shop or anywhere to sit down. Honestly, it was literally just like Burger King, KFC, and all this other like crap that I don't eat. So I'm probably gonna do like a rotation function thing and just like go back to the place that we were at before, like the mall, like a day or two ago. And then I'm gonna use that same cafe over there that I sat at, you know, do all my work there, and then go home after, like, you know, because I'm still stinky after the gym. I got a fucking shower and shit. All right, bro, we're back here in this shopping mall. I got a coffee and it's 4:36. No, it's 5:36. See, I didn't change the time on my MacBook yet, so I keep getting confused because my MacBook is on UK time right now. But yeah, I got myself a coffee at 5 o'clock. Let's see how that does on my fucking sleep tonight. Trade recap over here. Just finished it and uploaded it. Checks already complete. HD. Bro, this thing finished in like 5 seconds. The Wi-Fi here is way too good. I have to like give you that. The Wi-Fi is absolutely amazing. I just had to pay to use a toilet, which is really crazy, honestly. Premium experience, right? It's probably because if they weren't paid, then they'd probably smell of shit. Honestly, I respect that. It's basically telling you, go fuck yourself if you're broke. But yeah, I'm gonna sort out this storage thing, delete some apps, and then hit the restaurant because I've got like half an hour. All right, bros, a little bit late, but here we are. Grey Goose. Let's see how it goes.
Here we have the two selections of our bread, our two kinds, bread and salted butter.
For something that small, that had a lot of flavor in it, bro. I cannot wait for the main course, bro, because that was fucking good. All right, bro. I'm gonna build a pancake over here. Let's grab a fat chunk of this. Put it on here. Grab some of this like sauce over here. I don't know what it is. Booyah. Voila. Isn't that so cool? Come on, man. Come on. Can my life get any better than this, bro? Look, it's dark outside as well. Bit crazy stuff going on here, man. I am so happy that I got this place.
Our Polish beef tenderloin, wet aged for about 45 up to 60 days. And there we have for you the reproduction of our miseria, so the cucumber salad.
Let's have a bit of this first. Better than the one I make back in England, bro. This is really fucking good, bro. I finished the whole beef tenderloin here. Now I'm just like snacking on these cucumbers. Looking kind of a chill environment. Probably one of the best days I've had like in Krakow so far. Fire food, bro. Fire food. Oh right, these are getting 3 times better each time. We got the, I forgot what these are called. All right, let's work. I'm looking blended right now. We got some cheeses over here. Goat's cheese and some other crap in here. And then we got the apricot jam in the middle. Looking pretty fire, I can't lie. I'm running out of storage here, so I'm gonna conserve what I record, but yeah, so much great food here, I can't lie. All right, bro, I told you we'd blow the bank account here. We got a little gift. We got white chocolate and dark chocolate, which is pretty cool, but yeah. Looking crazy, there's guys playing the guitar and shit. I got my food here because I couldn't eat everything. There was this really cool ass waiter. His name was Carl. Shout out to Carl, honestly. Gave me some great service. That was the guy that I was talking about earlier. Honestly, I absolutely rate Poland, and if I had to rate my experience so far, then, you know, I'd give it to my boy Carl. Thanks to you, my boy Carl. I had a really nice night today. Again, probably one of the best nights I've had so far. It's just like, what, day 4 out of 7 in Poland. Some woman just gave me some weird like mirror maze shit. But yeah, we're out here in the beautiful like nightly environment of Krakow here. I'm fucking blended right now and I've literally got no storage on my phone, so we'll see how far I can get. All right, bro, cachinos, we made it. We've got our cheeses and other shit in here that they packaged up for us. Dude, I literally deleted like half the apps on my phone just to save like storage space for recording on my phone. Isn't that just like fucking dedication there? Like, here's me fucking blended. Just took some Michelin food home with me. Went through the town square, took a tram at 11 fucking o'clock at night, and at the same time deleted like fucking apps on my phone and shit just to get this content for you all. But yeah, that's really it for today, and like I say all the time, see you all tomorrow for when we do some potentially more crazy fucking shit.
Bobr, kurwa! Ja pierdolę, jakie bydle! Bober!